Hi student, this is Pratibha Singh, your English teacher from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Students, today we will read the poem Last Bargain from our NCERT based book Honeydew. The Last Bargain is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. He was born on 7th of May in 1861. He was one of the famous poets of India and popularly known as Gurudev. He wrote many poems, novels, stories and dramas. In 1913, he won the Nobel Prize for his book Gitanjali. Now we will talk about bargain. What is bargain? A bargain is an agreement in which both parties promise to do something for each other. This poem is a philosophical one which conveys the meaning of true freedom. The first three stanzas are based on imagination and the fourth stanza conveys the real message. So let's start the poem. Come and hire me, I cried while in the morning I was walking on the stone pavement road. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. This is the first stanza of the poem, and the poet in this stanza, the poet is looking for a job, and this is the morning time, and was ready to serve anyone on pavement. He was waiting to be hired. A king with his sword in his hand came in a chariot and offered to hire the man with his power. The poet refused his offer as power held no attraction for him. Now the second stanza. In the heat of midday, the houses stood with shut doors. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. This is the second stanza of the poem, and in this stanza, during the hot afternoon, the poet wandered. He is walking around. He is wandered around. He saw that all the houses had their doors shut. Then he met an old man with a bag full of gold coin, which he counted one by one in front of the poet. Because the old man wanted to buy his service with gold. But the poet wanted his true freedom in his service also. That's why the poet turned down his offer too, means he refused his offer. Now we will read third stanza of the poem. It was evening. The garden haze was all aflower. A fair maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. Now, this is evening time, means evening time came. The garden haze were blooming with flowers. A lovely lady came out from her house and offered to hire the poet with her beauty and lovely smile. But she too was sent away. Her smile faded and turned into tears, means she began to weep with sorrow and lost in the dark, because the poet refused her also, because he did not tie him in the foundations. Now we will read fourth and last stanza of the poem. The sun glistened on the sand, and the sea waves broke waywardly. A child sat playing with shells. I raised his, he raised his head and seemed to know me, and said, I hire you with nothing. From henceforward, that bargain struck the child's play, made me a free man. In this stanza, the poet said that as the sun shone on the sands, and the sea waves broke on the shores, so the poet met a child who was playing with seashells. The child told the poet that he was ready to hire him, but he had nothing to give him as payment. The poet struck the deal with the child, and in the bargain he got freedom, which is what every living being want. I hope you have understand the poem. Thank you and have a nice day.